Shout out everyone. Ang ganda, very nice. Beautiful. Look at the view, guys. Amazing. O, diba? Very nice. May signal ang aking phone. Shout out Ana Fe. Dahil na ako sa Great Orm. Okay na. Landed na pier. Haha. Excited. Oh, may signal lang ako. Ang mobile may signal pala. O, diba? Dirito be. Look at the view, guys. Very nice ang view. This is live, guys, from Wales. Char. Shout out everyone. Thank you for watching my videos, guys. Vlogger yarn. Feeling vlogger. Haha. Live. Live from Wales. Llandudno, Wales. Char. Char. Oh. Ano yan? Matun na tao eh. Let's go for a walk. Beware, beware. Oh, thank you for watching. Who is watching? Hello. Shout out, guys. Anong oras na ba? What time is it now? 3? Muli na ako sa hotel, guys. Kay kanina pa ako din eh. Pero mag-shopping pa ako. Wow. Very nice. Very relaxing view. This is my favorite and happy place. Happy place. Maaraw siya, guys. Maaraw. Very nice. Sorry kung kurog, guys. Kaya naglakaw ko. Haha. O, diba? Ang daming tao. Haha, samawa eh. Dora ang Grand Hotel. The Grand Hotel. Walking down the street. Shout out 2 million viewers. I'm here in Llandudno Pier, the longest pier in Wales. Charot, magpa-landong sa tayo sa mga eh. Oh, kasama. Oh, here we go. Who is watching? Hi, shout out. Thank you for watching my live. I'm here in Llandudno Pier now. O, diba? Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, look at the sea. Very beautiful weather today, guys. Nice kayo ang weather. Haha. Dito tayo. Ano ka nang gikuanan man? Wow. Great Orm. Nice ang mga baligya diri. Hala ka, nice. Mga bato.